I'm Ryan Nichols, Vice President of Sales for Superior Aluminum Products. For over 65 years, we've been creating products in the construction industry. Our revolutionary patented Snap-Tite PVC column is the only one in the industry that requires no PVC glue or adhesive. Simply snap the column together and you have the perfect column. Save time and materials. No mitering, no gluing, no bungeeing. It also does not require you to return to the project the next day. Using Superior's PVC Snap-Tite column saved home builders an average of 30 minutes per column. But don't just take our word for it.
Hi, I'm Dave Dwenger from Hoing & Hoing Builders from Anna, Ohio. The product we put up today is a white PVC column. They match the white trim very nicely. They snap together very well. No adhesive, no tape. Do not have to come back 24 hours later to remove everything. The caps go up very easily. Really nice product.
Interested in learning more about this product or other applications? Please give us a call or visit our website today.